Hello, people of Earth. Um, so evidently I assigned a terrible Nearpod yesterday, and here today I'm here to make up for it. Okay, so you guys had trouble with, first of all, you're welcome for that pig video, both of them. Which one did you like better? I liked the slow ones. All right, so I should not have left that slide in there, and that one was my bad. But we have info here to fill in the pie chart. Okay, so I know when you first see this, it doesn't look like you actually have enough information to fill this in, but I swear to God you do. So you got to take a look at the info that you have. Let's just do that first. Okay, so over here, we've got seconds on both of these. Okay, we've got feet on both of these. Okay, I'm seeing a pattern here. Are you? And I already see a 1 here and a 1 here, 5 here, but nothing's over here. But I'm betting we're going to have the same chart since it looks like we're comparing the two. Okay, so that's what I have so far. Now, believe it or not, you can actually solve the rest of this with just this information that you have here. So let's take a look. What info do we have? This pig, tiny, travels 250 feet in 5 seconds. Okay, well, this one I see is 10. All we have to do is what? Double it, right? So I'm going to do a times 2 to this one, which means I need to do times 2 to this, which will be what? You got it. Okay, and now I need to figure out how to get the 1. Okay, well, I have 5 here, 5 seconds, and in that 5 seconds, Tiny traveled 250 feet. I could break this into 5. What if I had 5 divided by 5? What would that give me? I broke it into 5. How many groups of 5 are in 5? There's one group of 5. Oh man, my dog just kicked me. So that means I would also have to divide this by 5. 250 divided by 5. All right, so you might be thinking, I can't do this either. But look, what if I'm going to erase this. What if I erase that 0? You could do that, right? Yeah, you can do that. What's 25 divided by 5? It's 5, right? Well, hello, McFly. 250 divided by 5 is just 50. You're just adding the 0. So you actually filled in this whole side over here just by having this one piece of information. So now what I would encourage you to do is find this side. Okay. And